In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Firefox's assertive default browser prompt on Windows and how to turn it on or off in just a few seconds. This is a useful setting if you want Firefox to remind you more strongly to make it your default browser, or if you want to disable that extra prompt and keep things quieter. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Once Firefox is open, click inside the address bar at the top of the window. Now type /config and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you into Firefox's advanced configuration area where you can adjust hidden preferences that aren't available in the regular settings menu. At this point, Firefox may show you a warning page letting you know that changing advanced preferences can affect browser performance or behavior. That's completely normal. To continue, click Accept the Risk and Continue. This confirms that you want to access the Advanced Settings page. Now you're on the About Config page. In the search box at the top, type Browser Shell Check Default Browser, more prompting. As you type, Firefox will filter the results and show you the exact preference we need. This setting controls whether Firefox can display a more assertive prompt related to making Firefox your default browser. Look at the value shown next to that preference. If it says true, that means Firefox can show the more assertive prompt when it thinks it's appropriate. If it says false, that stronger prompt is turned off. To change the setting, simply click the toggle button on the right side of the preference. Firefox will switch the value immediately between true and false. If you want Firefox to be more proactive about asking you to make it your default browser, leave it set to true. If you prefer fewer prompts and a less aggressive reminder, switch it to false. The nice thing about this setting is that the change applies right away, so there's no need to restart Firefox or reboot your computer. Once you've made your choice, you can close the About Config tab and keep browsing normally. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to manage Firefox's assertive default browser prompt on Windows using the advanced configuration page. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.